Hey, welcome to What We Thought. I'm Kevin, and I'm by myself today. We got a new grandbaby, so I'm on my own. So today I'm going to do just a quick review on the Navian tankless water heater. I guess that's how you say it. I'm not exactly sure how it's pronounced. But anyway, I bought this house a couple of years ago, and there's two major things that I did to it. It had central heat, but it didn't have central air. So I had that switched over to central air and heat. And then I had the tankless water heater installed, and the reason is when I bought this house, it had this old 40-gallon water heater, gas water heater, and it was moaning and groaning every time it heated up. It was 10 years old. It was marked on the water heater the age of when it was installed, and I needed to get a new one. Well, the room that it's in is also where the washer and dryer go, and they had the washer and dryer in two different locations. I wanted them side by each, and to be able to do that, I couldn't also have that 40-gallon water heater there, so I had the tankless water heater, and that freed up a ton of room for one. And of course, the tankless water heater, it lasts for 15 years, or warranted for 15 years. These little gas ones anymore, you're lucky if you can get them higher than 6-year warranty. And I get a lot of questions about it. So now that I've had it for just about 2 years, I've had it for 2 years, and you know, when tankless water heaters first came out, I knew some contractors, and they tell me, oh, you don't want to get that for your house. And this is many years ago. Those are mainly for like if you have a cabin or you know, somewhere that you go and you only use part-time. Because you know, if you have a cabin, you got a water heater, if you don't turn it off and it's got a pilot, well, it's going to keep that hot water in that place hot or warm even when you're not there. So the tankless water heater, that's the beautiful thing about it, right? You're not keeping 40 gallons of water hot so that when you go to take a shower, you can use hot water and it's, you know, it's hot and ready for you to go. So the tankless water heater, a lot of people think it's an instant hot water heater. It's not instant, it's just tankless. So, you know, I mean, my restrooms, my showers are at the other end of the house, so it takes about 2 minutes for it to heat up and get back to the other side of the house, which is what it would take with the 40-gallon. And so far, so good. I love the thing. It works outstanding, and it never runs out of hot water. When I had guests over, I mean, I still have, you know, this is a 4-bedroom place, so when family come to visit, if I have 2 to 3 to 4 of us here and we all need to take a shower, you don't run out of hot water. We could take a shower back to back. We can't do it at the same time in the separate bathrooms, but because of the water pressure here. If I had plenty of water pressure, we could just run them both at the same time, no problem. But you can take 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, however many showers right after the other you need to, because it is a tankless water heater. So it's constantly heating the water as it's sending it to your shower. So the tankless water heaters, you know, they don't use, they don't have to keep the water hot in a big tank. It just heats it upon request, right? That's why, you know, I mean, it'll heat up and it sends it right away, but it takes 2-3 minutes to get the other side of the house. For my sink in the kitchen, the hot water takes roughly 30 seconds. And they're only, 15-20 feet apart. But the plumbing does go under my house where it's cold, so it's not an instant hot water heater. So I just wanted to let people know that we're considering getting a tankless water heater. Would I recommend one? Absolutely. Mine is heated by gas, natural gas. They make these electric. I don't know anything about the electric ones. All I know is this gas heater, it heats up and sends hot water, and it's set at 120 degrees. You can set it, that's the recommended heat setting. The plumber wouldn't set it any higher. You could put it to 130 if you wanted to. Not having to keep that water hot and using your energy, paying for your electric or your gas to keep that warm is a bonus. And then also never running out. I mean, I've had houses that had 50-gallon water tanks. I had 4 of us in a household, and we would run out of hot water if we all had to take a shower, or, you know, we just take quick ones and everything's fine. But, you know, there's always somebody that wants to take one of those Hollywood showers and they want to stand there for however long, 10-15 minutes, you know. So, yeah, tankless water heaters, they work great. I didn't install it myself. I mean, they make them where you can just install them yourself these days. I had a plumber do it because I had a lot of other plumbing issues at this house, and I just said, just do it all, get it all done. I don't want to think about it. I just want it up, running, and working. So if you have questions about tankless water heaters, if it's something I can answer, something not too technical, because I am not a plumber, any questions, please leave a comment, or hey, just say hi. Thanks for checking this out. I hope it helps you decide if and when you ever need a water heater, if you want to go tankless, or if you're just tired of heating up those big water tanks and you want to switch over to tankless. I highly recommend it. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.